Hi, welcome to WinTrader. Today I am going to show you gold chart in 5 minute time frame with WinTrader version 8.1. This is our latest version. As you all know, the WinTrader 8.1 is our latest version, and this is gold performance level, how its signals working, how much profit we earn today with the gold chart. I'll explain you the profit report with the gold. So you may please check this chart first. Here gold today morning market start from here, this white dotted line. You can see a white dotted line here. From here the market started. At morning itself we got a sell signal because yesterday the market was in a buy trend. From here exactly the buy trend started from here, this green up arrow. So after that, from there the market fully in uptrend. Then today the market opened with a gap down, and we got a sell signal by morning itself at this level. At this candle we got the sell, but next candle maybe we can enter the trade. But if you want to enter the sell trade or buy trade, we just want to confirm the signal before enter the trade. We need to confirm each signal. Means maybe the signal generate, after that the confirmation if not there, we need to wait for the confirmation. In this case also same, the sell call generated by the morning, but that time the bottom was our confirmation. Means if a sell call generate, the red arrow generate, after the red arrow the bottom bar color turn to red and the price in sell zone only, we can confirm that sell signal. Same if buy signal generate, after a green arrow the bar color turn to green and price must be on buy zone. And one more parameter is that the candlestick color, this candle color should be red if the sell signal, and if it by green then should be the buy signal, we can confirm. So exactly the three confirmations are after the signal, either buy or sell signal. If it's sell, this candle color must be red, bar color must be red, and price must be sell zone. Same if buy signal, after the green arrow, green color up arrow, the green bar color turn to green, this candle color turn to green, and this bottom bar color must be in green and price must be on buy zone on that time. So if these three confirmation are always our confirmation parameters. So in this case here we got a sell signal at this candle. At this level we got a sell signal. We have got the confirmation on this level only. So after the signal, after the red arrow, we got the confirmation on this candle, almost this level. Means we can enter the trade almost this level, because actually the sell call generated, sell at what price should be mentioned here, sell at 51314. So if we can wait for that confirmation, means bottom line also 10, almost this level we can enter the trade. This level we can enter the trade. From there market down, started downtrend. Maybe you entered the same 51314 only. We can, the target will be here, target 1, target 2 and target 3. Right now so far it's two targets are already achieved. Our first target was 51201, second target was 51111, 51,111 is the target, second target, and third target is 51020. So far it's not achieved, means right now the market is 51118. So far this means already second targets are achieved, means start market down up to 51075, or this level we already down. So we can if you want to enter the signal, the same thing is that after the signal need to check the confirmation, you can enter the trade. Today in gold chart we got sell at 51314 and market down up to 51077 or something. Maybe you exit from this. That's the bottom, the at that very east bottom is that 51077. So maybe if you enter the trade with that exit that level, you can already use 237 more points. Right, in this current situation it's almost 237 above points are profit, means 23,000 more profit with a single signal, with a single trade of gold. So in each term scripts we can perform the same way. The WinTrader will be performing same way. So every time we need to check, because lots of softwares are available in market. but everything in as currently as the market situation, you can compare with any software, we are the best. We are providing the best signal, best accurate and advanced signal we are providing. And here lots of other things are there. If a signal generate, at what price that signal generate, and what the time and date, those all will get from here. And current profit and loss points, it should be mentioned here. And status, target, how much targets are achieved, first target and second target, 2 targets are achieved, it should be mentioned here. And target 1, target 2, target 3 with the trailing stop loss, that too mentioned here. Here the trailing stop loss is just important thing is that the stop loss is trailing one. So right now the stop loss is 51245. So the sell level was, sell price was 51314. Our target is stop loss is 51245. So if it's triggered the stop loss also, we can book a minimum target. Got it? Minimum profit we can book there if it triggered the stop loss. And another one advantage is re-entry suggestion. Re-entry suggestion, maybe after the first target, after the signal 314, or maybe you exit with the first target of 51201 or something, you can if you want to again, if the market is in same downward, so downtrend is keeping, we will get a re-entry suggestion. Means right now it's in wait mode, in this position we will get new re-entry sell price. Here it will be display with a new target. So you can check it now, there's still it's in downwards. Here this is a resistance and support level. You can see two this is a red star and an yellow star, a golden star you can see. These are the resistance and support level. Right now where the support levels are breaking, from there market went down. And when the resistance level break by the candle, then the market will be went up. Here in this case, here the resistance and support. Now the support level again break. So it's going down. Got it? So again it's going down and it's keeping the same. Right now it's just low profit is just changed. Right now this low is in 51059. Oh, a good profit we already got it from there. And still if you continue the trade, maybe you are not exit with any stop loss trial target, now you can continue, then still 51061 down up to 51058. Great profit already we got. Maybe you exit, otherwise you will get re-entry suggestion here. You can enter new trade with a new target will be displayed here. I know we just opened software now online, that's why you couldn't see that. Right now it's in wait mode. So we will get re-entry suggestion, sell price will be displayed here. And whenever the signal generate, by your sell signal generate, you will get proper alert message with a bell sound. Alert message will came. That alert message include with the sell signal generate, price, target, stop loss, all will be there. And if they hear that trends, market trend will be displayed, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, all that. What are the trend now? It should be displayed here. So we can analyze the trend from here itself. And another one advantage is we have a scanner. This is the scanner window. What are the scripts you added in Market Watch? Those all scripts will be appear in scanner also. So from scanner, which script you want to see, if any new signal generate or something, it will be appear here. In this gold is not Indian market gold. Here the gold buy at means that international gold we already added. This is Indian market gold is here. EMGLD this is the Indian market gold price. And if you want to go for that chart now, then you can see, just click on a single click, you can go to that chart. If you want to see the gold chart, just click here on this side arrow button, it will directly go to the gold chart. So you will get properly here. This is the right now the position gold chart you can see here. And this scanner advantage, what are the scripts you added in Market Watch, it will be appear, those all will be appear scanner and give you the alert, scan and give you the alert which is in buy or sell mode. And we have a close scanner. If you want to close the scanner, and a single click you can close the scanner, and you can refresh the scanner from here. Just click refresh button. When a new signal generate, it will be appear, new signal generate like that, it will be appear. So you can go to the chart. As per the scanner report, you can go to the chart, you can check the confirmation in chart. If the confirmation is there, you can enter the trades. So these are the things, these are the main advantage here. The just I am you all know how the signals are working and how it's conforming, all the details, but I'm just showing some profit reports of gold, today's profit report, the in live market, how it's performing, you can check. I'm just showing that only. It's okay. So this is the thing. If any doubt or something, you can directly call us. Myself Shyam, and my number is 9061308080, and you can log on to our website, and there's and all the details are mentioned with our other contacts details and contact form. You can fill up the contact form there. If any reason, our salesperson will contact you back and will give you a live demo session. You can check the accuracy with the live demo. After that, if you feel fully satisfied only, you need to purchase the software. Okay, I can assure that the software will always set for you. Okay, thank you. Safe trade.